Hi, it's Anna and Matt from Dance from Home.
Welcome to our demo class to the song Until I Found You. Welcome to the part number 3. We finished part number 2 in our frame after ladies turn in place. Here we want to, guys, be facing corner, so diagonally this way, okay? A little bit. Guys, we are on right, lady is on her left.
And 1, 2, 3, 4,
Ladies turn.
5, 6,
And come
7,
back the same way.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4,
And again, ladies turn.
5, 6,
and
7,
change the position.
8.
Okay, so we start from our zigzag steps in this direction. First, we will teach you these steps dancing separately, facing together this way. So guys, we stand on our right leg and we will go forward with our left.
Girls, we will stand on our left and we will go backwards with our right.
So guys, we go with our left diagonally forward. Put your feet together and right diagonally forward. Then again, left diagonally forward and right diagonally forward. Okay, and from here we'll come back the same way. So guys, left diagonally backwards, right diagonally backwards, left diagonally backwards, and right diagonally backwards.
Girls, we will start with our right. We will go diagonally backwards with our right. Put your legs together, tap with your left. Now diagonally backwards, tap, diagonally backwards, tap, and the last time, tap. Now we will do the opposite, so we will go forward with your right. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap. Okay, now we will dance it to the counting, but this time we want you to bend your knees slightly and relax your hips so you can sway from side to side.
Relax and sway a little bit. So guys, forward, ladies backwards. And we go.
And 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4,
And to the other side.
5, 6, tap, 7, tap, 8, tap. Very good. So now we will try to dance it together.
So guys, we are facing the corner, we are in our casual frame, and here what's really important here is our feet position. So it's my left,
My right,
my right,
my left.
our feet are a little bit wider, okay? So here's our position, and we start guys with left, ladies with right, guys forward, ladies backwards. Let's go.
And 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap, and we come back. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap.
During
Very
our
good.
steps, make sure to maintain the same feet position. So my left, ladies right, my left, my right, ladies left.
So this was just for practicing, and now we will show you what is going to happen in our choreography. So let's try to do this one more time. We will go backwards, guys, forward. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap. Very nice. And from here we will do a lady's turn.
So we'll show you. 5, 7, 8. Okay, so again, 5, 6, and 7, 8. First, lady steps.
Girls, we will draw a little circle on the dance floor. Okay, so how to do this? We have finished on our left, and now we will start with our right. We'll rotate to the right. We will go like this. Right, left, right, left, finish on your left. So remember, really small steps, continue the rotation towards your right, okay? Let's try to do this one more time. We go right, left, and we finish in front of our partner. Very nice. Now we will also add our styling. So we will extend our left hand in that direction, okay? Starting with our elbow, wrist and the fingers at the end, and also put your chin up. So let's try to do this one more time. We will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and this hand, our left, will enter immediately into our frame. Okay? So thanks for watching. If you liked our dance lesson, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. If you want to learn how to dance step by step, go to dancefromhome.com and start your online dance classes today. Also, remember to find us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks again and see you soon!